Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package with the Holley Sniper fuel injection system on it for our customer's 1966 Mark IV FFR Cobra. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We have the brand new Dart Block, all forged steel internals, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft. We have the Victor Jr. Edelbrock cylinder heads on the 427. Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers on there. Proper oil pan, front sump oil pan for the 66 Mark IV Cobra front sump. We have the brand new balancer on there. QuickTime Bellhousing. Customers running a TKO 600 transmission. We have the proper alignment ring in there. Clutch forks, rod bearing, clutch is installed, alignment set, all the bolts of the transmission, high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube. We have the proper pulley kit for the FFR Cobra. This is the high mount alternator and a high mount power steering pump, high flow aluminum water pump, 140 amp chrome alternator, one wire hookup right there. Ford Racing thermostat housing, proper thermostat housing and thermostat installed. Distributor set in place. Aluminum intake manifold, MSD ignition coil, Holley Sniper fuel injection systems on there. Throttle cable ball, throttle return spring and bracket. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes at the engine factory. All the settings will be set on the Holley Sniper EFI on the menu screen. It'll be plug and play, ready to go for the customer. All set, timing set, Sniper EFI all dialed in. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature, all ready to go. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Family owned and operated business, been in business over 50 years here. So there you have it. This is our 427 Ford 540 horse, ready to go. Thanks for watching.